Manipur lenga ke senthang makhada Imphal amadi Guwahati, Kolkata amasung Dimapur connect tawgadaba Airlines Air gi flight ahum launch tawkhre. Ticket pamal yamlabada lishing manga dagi heloi hairi. Chief Minister gi Lairik Haimin nasi program gi makhada Mahairoi Chani Romda remedial coaching class ke khudong chaba fangankre. Amadi Security Force na chathakiba thiba humbagi tongan ba thaudok anida Kangpokpi district ke mafam anidagi masing yamlaba khutlai amadi bomb kaya fagat pangamkre. ISCOM Manipuri Pamit Yeng Tabiriba Pumnamakpur Sana Sharminna Taram Nakchari Amadi Pamucha Khaina Pijari Viability Cap Funding gi Makhada State Lenga ki Senthang Makhada Alliance Air gi Anova Flight Ahum Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Amadi Transport Minister Khasim Wasum gi Mityeng Makhada ngasi launch tawkhre Imphal dagi Guwahati Kolkata Amadi Dimapur connect tawgadaba flight sing asigi mamal yamlabada lishing manga dagi heloi hairi Hiram asigi matangda Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Amadi Transport Minister Khasim Wasum na thamkiba wafam sing
People are suffering since the last 20 months. When the people are in trouble, we are part of India. We are Indians. We are suffering. So at least please send a team here to assess the price of the fare tickets, and if I will be very happy if you kindly instruct and arrange to minimize the flight ticket more lower, and if you provide more flight which can travel directly to Delhi, Calcutta or Bangalore. Saying about all these things, I have to appreciate the Union government, which you have already mentioned, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and his ministries as helping us like anything to bringing up the knowledge up to the level of the national and international level through various schemes. Many schemes we have taken up, not only in the civil aviation, road connectivities, infrastructure developments, and the social sector also. Thus, it is kind enough, Honorable Prime Minister is doing lots, and I also inviting you, Honorable Minister, once please visit and let us sit together and please examine. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The 3 new routes will now provide the people of state to travel early in the morning and late in the evening from the Imphal International Airport. These new routes will be provide new opportunities for travelers coming to the state, enhancing and bolstering the tourism activities. I appeal to the people of the states to make wise use of the new routes for their work and enhance their economic activities.
Numit Thauramna lakpada Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren na Indian Army da service tawriba miyoi sing amadi makhoigi imung manungda yaifa paujel pirakli Chief Minister na mahaki ex handle da thagalakhiba post amada Indian Army da service tawduna miyamgi damakta thawai khubak da haptuna thaugal tawriba singna leibak miyam da achauba ithil ama piri hairaduna Indian Army na tawriba thabak khuding makta pangal thauna leina mai pakpo oirasanu hairi CM gi Lairik Haimin Nashi program gi makhada tha taruki oiba remedial coaching amasinduna TG Higher Secondary School gi Mahairoi Chani Romda kanaba fanghankre thauram asigi manung channa saruk yakhiba Mahairoi singda school bag amadi stationery item sing lemna yenthoki Chief Minister na mahaki ex handle da thagalakiba post amada lamdam asigi school tamliba Mahairoi singna makhoigi mahai masing tambada Sotha Hodabagi Pandamda Lengak Asina Thauram Asi Paikhalakpani Thauram Asibu Mapung Fahaliba Mari Lainaba official Singh Amadi Oja Singhbu Hainingai Leitana Thagatli Thauram Asina Lamdam Asigi Mahairoi Singhda Achoba Mating Amapibu Oirasanu Haiki
Siguro hanap siyang madayam na harawe. Dati siya sana ang kaya matong tapos na siya. Mana sa manis remedial coaching center din ma'am matong tapos sa sili doon na ang kaya na kuda kuda abi coaching tat pangang jada ba kay mama lady sa kumba sili mana siya na sili padagi ako da dong java pangang doon na ang kaya na kuda garikse college na mama ikan ba da pang
B may ang mga pana coaching kaba private hindi pasyati nga coaching tawag ng dalawa sinda sumanya free coaching daw iba siya kuda imatika na ni oza may am na so pasana tagpitan biya kuda atuga sumanya extra coaching daw iba siya kuda may am improve line pakata na sumanya coaching daw iba siya yang nung hadi tungkoy na sugum coaching siya dong daw biyo hay na ito.
Paugi maragtat na tiyan mabrik amatang lojagi.
Admission open Honeycomb Foundation School Mongsagi Bore Makongda Leva Asigi English ngani kun mga kuntaruk session gi daycare dagi class 5 hawagi admission hojare school asining thina train tawraba afaba amadi experience leraba oza kayana angang singbo section na takpi tambiri mingjan magi oina su chada yang kai discount pizari asida sunnatana atai khudong saba kaya amasu thamjari pizari ba khudong saba singa si akaknaba matam khara khaktagini ngasimak election biraktuna akopo marol khangbi hau amadi khudong saba asi lobi hau
Go Aviator Academy na Manipurgi Housing Oiriba Tangdu Laitadana Ladiba Asigi Yenglaga, Hauragliba Satra Singidamakta, free course pizari, coursing adadi, cabin crew amadi ground staff, Ako Promarol Gidamak contact Tobiraku 700-528-5195, Amasung 700-581-9002, Natraga, Aikogi Office, Nomaybung Infal East Lengsin Biraku.
Breaking matong amukasu hanna taramok cheri. Security Force ke tongan ba kangbu singna Kangpopi District ki New Kaithel Manbi Police Station ki manung chan na leiba tongan ba mafam anidagi masingyam laba khutlai amadi bom kaya fagat pangamkre Security Force ke kangbu amana 0.P1 Railway Tunnel Road ta chathakiba thiba humbagi thabakta magazine aniga konana 9mm CMG ama country made single barrel rifle ani number 36 hand grenade ama Motorola Bofeng ama fagat pangamki loinana Freedom Hill amadi Fayeng Village ki marakta leiba Fayeng Ridge tagi bolt action rifle ani 9mm pistol ahom 0.32 pistol ama atopa pistol ama number 36 hand grenade ahom electric detonator mari number 36 hand grenade ki detonator ahom 380mm live round ahom 0.22 mm live round mari 9mm live round mari tear smoke shell SR ani gas gun shell ama tear smoke ama amadi Bofeng radio set ama fagat pangamki Security Force ke kangbu amana ngarang Senapati District ki Ti Khulen Naka check post cha achat awok sing check tawada makhong mari panba gari ama thauduna lakhiba miyoi amadagi kani kilo anirom fagat pangamkhre kani ga konana faraba miyoi adudi Ramesh Kumar chahi kuntraga mangani Hauzi aroi bada maru oiba pau amuka hanna pijari Manipur lenga ki senthang makhada Imphal amadi Guwahati Kolkata amasung Dimapur connect tawgadaba Alliance Air gi flight ahom launch tawkre ticket mamal yam labada lishing manga dagi heloi hairi Chief Minister gi lairik haibin nasi program gi makhada mahairoi chani romda remedial coaching class ki khudong chawa fanghan kre amadi Security Force na chathakiba thiba humbagi tongan ba thaudok anida Kangpopi District ki mafam anidagi masing yamlaba khutlai amadi bom kaya fagat pangamkhre Pungja se fawbagi oina ISCOM na sandokchaba Manipuri pau matanga salojuri makhataba pawgidama ISCOM bumit yeng tado na lebiyo.